Hi guys, I really wanted to talk about something that in nowadays in our world we don't teach our kids that it should be okay to fail. It's okay to not achieve something big in our life because all these things, big things that we achieve in our life, those are less likely to give our happiness. We can find happiness in small things also. It's okay and it's fine to have a big goal, but it's not okay and fine that we run after that every day and one day suddenly we come to know that we are suffering from some disease or something and we are unable to live our each day. We should live our each present moment like it is the only thing that should be special and important to us, and or rest things will fall in its place. And yet we desire so many things in our life, and we fail to live our present moment with whatever things we have in our life. We should really be grateful for all the things, all the people we have in our life, and we should stop judging others for what they are, because somewhere in others we can find us. If we are running after a certain kind of a job and we are not enjoying our job right now, that is not going to serve us, because this 2020 is set to be a reset button for everyone who has always been running and not enjoying their present moment. So we should look forward for ways to enjoy more in our present moment, either with a relationship, either with your children, either with your parents, whatever is in your present moment. We are always complaining, our mind is always complaining. If you look deeply, there is yet no way that you should complain about that thing, because that thing isn't true. Why isn't true? Because it's mind creating and wanting more of a pleasureful things. That's why whenever mind wants something, we run after it. We run for those kind of a pleasure. We don't look for happiness that is always inside us. We look for happiness in another car, we look for happiness in clothes, we look for happiness in other person, but yet we fail to look for that happiness within us that is always there. If you are happy in yourself, you can really give others, you can serve others with those happiness without fail, because your happiness is not dependent on other things or other people. If you start enjoying your present moment, if you enjoy every single thing in your present moment, it will become the best moment of your life, because mind will always want and want and want, yet it will not enjoy the things and people they are always there. And when we get separate from that person, or when we lose that job, when we lose that thing, yet what we regret is spending time with that person and giving more in that job, being grateful for that job, because whatever mind doesn't has in present moment, it will run for that thing only. So look for the ways to be grateful for whatever you have in your present moment, and look for ways to be more kind and compassionate and share your happiness with others. And lastly, I want to say that we should stop judging other people. We are very good in judging other people. We should stop judging other people. Whatever they are doing, that is their side of perspective, that is their side of story, their side of perception. So we shouldn't judge other person or anyone just because they did something, right? Thank you so much.